From trade to territory, East India Company comes east. In 1600, Queen Elizabeth I granted the royal charter to the East India Company to trade with the East. The East India Company bought goods from Indians at a cheap price and sold them at a much higher price in Europe. The fine qualities of cotton and silk produced in India had a big market in Europe. Spices like pepper, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon were in great demand. East India Company begins trade in Bengal. The first English factory was set up on the bank of the river Hooghly in 1651. The factory had a warehouse where goods for export were stored. In 1696, the company built a fort around the settlement. Aurangzeb issued a farman granting the company the right to trade duty-free. How did trade lead to battles? After the death of Aurangzeb, the Bengal Nawabs asserted their power and autonomy. After the death of Aurangzeb, Murshid Quli Khan, and then after Murshid Quli Khan, Alivardi Khan, then Siraj-ud-Dowlah became the Nawab of Bengal. And then the Nawab of Bengal refused to grant the company concessions as it was making the revenue from Bengal trade less profitable. The British wanted the duties to be abolished, but Bengal Nawab refused. The famous Battle of Plassey. After the death of Alivardi Khan in 1756, Siraj-ud-Dowlah became the Nawab of Bengal. But company was worried with this because company wanted a puppet ruler. Due to the interference of company, Siraj-ud-Dowlah was not happy with company. Siraj-ud-Dowlah asked company to stop meddling in his political affairs, stop fortification, pay the revenues. But these negotiations failed, and Nawab marched with 30,000 soldiers to the English factory at Qasim Bazar, captured the company officials, locked the warehouse, disarmed all Englishmen, and blockaded English ships. Then he marched to Calcutta to establish control over the company's fort there. Company officials sent troops under the command of Robert Clive. Finally, in 1757, Robert Clive led the company's army against Siraj-ud-Dowlah at Plassey. Battle of Plassey. Siraj-ud-Dowlah lost the battle, and the reason for Siraj-ud-Dowlah lost because of the main reason of the defeat was a betrayal at Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar was the commander in the army of Siraj-ud-Dowlah. He betrayed by not participating in the battle. He was lured by Clive by the promise of making him Nawab after the death of Siraj-ud-Dowlah. Our next topic will be Battle of Buxar. Thank you.